Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to export a WhatsApp chat to your email using Google Drive. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Now go to the chat you want to export. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. In the top right corner, tap the three dots. This opens a menu. From the menu, tap on More. Now tap on Export Chat. WhatsApp will ask if you want to export the chat with media or without media. If you choose with media, it will include photos, videos, and other files. This can make the export slower and the file size bigger. If you choose without media, only the text messages will be saved. Select the option that works for you. After you tap it, WhatsApp will take a few moments to prepare the file. This depends on the size of the chat. Once it's ready, a list of apps will appear. To send it to your email, choose Drive. This sends the file to your Google Drive, which you can then access from your Gmail. Tap on Drive. Now choose the Google account you want to use. You can also rename the file if you want. After that, tap Save. The chat is now backed up to your Google Drive. To email it, you can go to your Gmail, start a new message, and attach the file from Drive. This method is quick, and you don't need any extra apps. That's it. Your WhatsApp chat is now exported to your email through Google Drive. Thanks for watching.